how to get free stars on Telegram. Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some information if you want to get Telegram stars. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So let's start by opening up Telegram. You can open up Telegram application on your device for that. And the basic thing we can do is we can look out for giveaways. So there are different giveaways available on Telegram time to time. You can check it out, such as Telegram stars giveaways, stars reward contests, etc. Win Telegram stars, etc. And just go over and join those well moderated channels, and you should be able to get it. Apart from that, you can participate in promotions as well. So you can look out for promotions. Some bots or mini applications reward users with a star. You can look out for it. Or if you run channel, you can just go over and enable the star options and earn star. When you head over to earn star option, there are different bunch of options available. You can use those offers, promotional programs for creators or developers, and you can follow official announcement via Telegram as well. That should also let you star. Apart from that, another method is buying the stars. So stars are normally purchased through the application itself. You can look out for buy star option and tap on it. After that, you can follow up the process. For example, 100 star for $2. Tap on it. After that, you can proceed with the payment method, add credit or debit card, and you should be able to unlock stars for Telegram. That is also possible. But usually in order to get free, you just need to go over and unlock premium features. Sometimes it's cheaper, and also look out for channels. They should provide you with some, and that way you should be able to get it. But usually that's how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.